Great evening, Forex executives. This is Mohammed Kande coming at you with a weekly analysis and also monthly analysis, since we are at the beginning of the month, for Great British Pound, Japanese Yen. We have ourselves a doozy, man. I'm really excited about the beginning of this month. The team have already squeezed a few pips out of GJ. Several hundreds already for the beginning of the month. So we're really excited to keep this going. But I'm going to make this a little educational about the past as well, and then dive into the technical analysis portion of this. But one thing that I really wanted to talk to you guys about is what we always talk about the market breaking an area and always coming back to retest that area. Every time the market breaks an area, no matter what, it might take a month, it may take 2 months, it may take a year, but the market always finds its way coming back to retest an area. And this is a perfect example right here. So this is when Brexit happened in 2016. This is when the market came back and retested the Brexit low that was broken in 2018. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Let's just dive into this, right? So let me pull up my fib right here for you guys. Boom. High to the low. Wick to wick. So the market broke, so the market consolidated in this area, and then of course when Brexit happened, the market just plummeted, right? So look at this, right? We were in this 155.59 area. Market just plummeted this area, right? So what did the market do? The market came back and retested. And what did the market retest? The market retested a 78.6 area. So what does that tell us? We have ourselves an ABCD pattern on the monthly. And we know when the market hits the 78.6, what does it do? It surely comes back and taps the 61.8. And then it breaks down and then stair steps all the way down. But I just wanted to show that to everybody just so that you guys will see. The market breaks an area and it comes back and retests it 2 years later. So this market had been trending up for 2 years just to come back and retest this Brexit area that was broken, right? So we were right here in a beautiful uptrend that was ceased, right? The uptrend was ceased. We got a pin bar and the market just plummeted. But I want to show you guys how history repeats itself, right? Take a look over here. You guys are going to love this, man. This is how the market repeats itself. Look at this. You have bearish engulfing, doji, pin bar, right? And then what happened afterwards? A bearish engulfing, doji, pin bar. What is going to happen again? A bearish engulfing. That's what should happen. The market is repeating itself. Slowly but surely. Look at this. The market, let me print this for us real quick. Market comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up. It's going to come down and then go up and come down. The market is going to keep printing these W patterns over and over again until that trend is broken. But I just wanted to show you guys. That's what I'm so excited, man. So as you guys can see already, just on the monthly chart, we are in a bearish market on Great British Pound, Japanese Yen, right? So let's break it down over here to the weekly, so that way you guys can see it a little bit better, right? And also market broke the monthly trend, and this is the new trend that we have right here. Boom. Okay. Let's scale it down to the weekly. Look at that. Perfect touches, right? Perfect touches. Perfect touches. We have a, what do we have here? We have a W pattern. Boom. W pattern was completed. What's going to happen? Short. Over and over again. And while this W pattern was completing, we had another W pattern that formed. And what did the market do? Short. So we know that we're in a bearish market, right? And I'd like to take a look at another thing too. Look at this. Every time the market hit, look, the market tapped this, the trend line began here. 156.32, the market dropped 1,000 pips. Right? 145, right? So 900 pips. Look at this right here. 153.69, 143.19, over 1,000 pips. 149.30, more than likely it's going to come down to this 139, 138 area, which is our minor key level, right? So this is all a making of a good opportunity, right? And then the market had been, consolidating in this area right here, creating a triple bottom, creating lower highs. What does that tell you? That was a bearish spinning, and it finally broke this area right here. So bring it down to the daily. So you guys see naked price action. That's all you need. This is all you need. I don't have a whole bunch of stuff on my charts. All I'm looking at is price action, support and resistance, and use trend lines. Trend lines are your absolute best friend. Look at this right here. Boom. Right? Market broke this area right here. Bingo. I'm looking for some type of a retest in this area right here. That's why I have this small line marked up right here. I'm looking for the area to retest. I wrote my notes down on GJ. I'm looking for the market to come down to the 140, to come up to the 145.50 area, right? Before the market begins to short again. And as you guys can see, the market automatically started shorting once it opened up. Now let's break it down to the D1 and see why is that. Oh, let me extend this this trend line so that everybody can see it. I want you to see how valid this baby is. Boom. Okay. So market broke this area right here. Market had been in this area right here. One tap, two tap, third tap, broke it with a nice engulfing, right? Not too crazy, right? Not too crazy, but it did break it. So I'm looking for some type of a retest. Let the market come to you. Don't go to the market. Let it come to you, because it always comes. Patience, 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 right? So let's go to the H4. I want to show you guys even better. Go down to the H4. So this is the H4 right here, okay? Market broke the area. All right, look at that, beautiful. It's a lot clearer, right, to continue that downtrend. Just wanted to show you guys this. But let me tell you, right, so the question is, well, how do I enter the market? Where do I enter the market? Remember we said that we go to the H1 for these stupid entries, right? So the market came down, consolidated a little bit, and then shot down. And then look, the market started shorting automatically. Let me tell you why the market started shorting automatically. Because of this right here. The market came down, up, down, natural W. What is the market going to do? This leg is going to explode. Same height as the initial leg, if not higher, which brings me into my zone. And then the market is going to short. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup for Great British Pound for Great British Pound Japanese Yen. So I'm really, really excited about this pair. I think that we are going to get massive pips. There's a major area that was broken. As you guys can see, the area right here, right here, right here. So I think that the market is going to come back and retest that area. And when it comes back to retest that area, we're going to be right here, ready to rock and roll. We're going to be locked and loaded to get 300, 400, 500 pips out of the Great British Pound Japanese Yen. I'm really, really excited. Happy trading. Any questions at all, don't forget to put them in the comment section and let us get some massive, massive, massive pips. Thanks much, everybody. Have a great week.